So you're craving a midnight snack, but you don't want to have a big meal before you go to bed. Rather, you want to have something deserting and high in protein. Well, welcome to the right video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. Have you guys ever tried a NESQUIK protein shake? I don't think you guys have. Well, today's your lucky day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my NESQUIK protein shake, and it's absolutely delicious. Extremely high on protein, and it's only 500 calories. So let's go ahead and get down to this video. All I ask in return is a like and a subscribe if you guys are new to this channel. Alright, let's get going. So here are the ingredients that we need for this protein shake. We need almond milk, NESQUIK cereal, NESQUIK bar, whey protein, and peanut butter. That's all we need. It's a very simple ingredient, but it's absolutely delicious. We're gonna go ahead and put all these ingredients in the blender, starting out with the almond milk, 250 milliliters of it. We can substitute this with whole milk, but because almond milk has a lot more protein than whole milk and a lot less fat as well, we're gonna go ahead and use the almond milk instead. You guys can also use skim milk, but skim milk is just literally just water flavored milk. It has no taste to it. So almond milk is the best substitute here, and besides, we want that extra protein. Then we're gonna put 30 grams of NESQUIK cereal. This will give the protein shake the NESQUIK flavor, as well as the one NESQUIK bar. This has a lot of fiber, guys, so this will keep you full for some time. After that, we're gonna put 1 scoop of chocolate whey protein, and at the end, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. You guys don't wanna use too much peanut butter here, because it's gonna throw away the taste. It's gonna make it too peanut buttery. So putting 1 teaspoon of it is actually, it makes the smoothie taste a lot better, or the protein shake taste a lot better. So we're gonna go ahead and blend that up, and while that's being blended, we're gonna get 10 grams of NESQUIK cereal in the bag. We're gonna put it in a Ziploc bag and get the smasher, and we're just gonna smash the heck out of it. After I finish smashing, it should look something like this, kind of like powder. We're gonna go ahead and set that aside, and when we do, the blending should be done. Once it's finished blending, we're gonna go ahead and pour that out. Please note, guys, this is 1.5 servings, so you're getting a bit more than a cup, which is definitely okay. It's not a big deal, but there's one thing I do want to point out here, guys, that it is thick. This shake, protein shake, it is quite thick if you guys don't add ice. I do recommend you guys add some ice into this protein shake so you can have it more liquidy, but if you don't, this is absolutely delicious, and you guys can have this with a spoon even. It's like kind of like a ice cream pudding, you can say. It's actually really tasty, and it actually tastes a lot. It hits different when you guys have it with spoon, guys. It actually hits a whole lot different when you guys have it with spoon. But we're not done yet. The 10 gram of NESQUIK cereal that we smashed, we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle that onto the cup or the glass that we poured into. And you guys can go ahead and sip it, or as I recommended earlier, get a spoon and just enjoy it with the spoon, because it's just delicious. Kind of like an ice cream, you can say. Absolute NESQUIK, and it keeps you full for a very long time, guys. So the total calories for this protein shake is 520 calories, and the total macros here is 41 grams of protein, 56 grams of carbs, 14 grams of fats, and 7 grams of fiber. And voila! NESQUIK protein shake. It's just so good. This is something that I have every now and then, and I do have this maybe 2 to 3 hours before I go to bed, because it is heavy for a post-workout shake. I mean, you guys can try this with post-workout shake, but don't put the NESQUIK bar into it, because that's what makes it thick the most. And as well as I would put more ice into it to make it more liquidy. But other than that, guys, it's quite filling, it's delicious, and you know, it's just full of protein, and it's NESQUIK. Who doesn't like NESQUIK? You guys can go ahead and modify this as you like. Put some oats in it, put some banana in it, but I found that these 5 recipes just work perfectly when it comes down to making this NESQUIK protein shake. Go ahead and try this protein shake out, and come back to this video and comment down below on your thoughts on maybe on some things you guys added that made it taste a whole lot heavenly. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, because I believe I deserve it if you guys are here this far. As well as if you guys enjoy this video, you guys will definitely enjoy this Nutella 1000 calorie protein shake, as well as this Oreo protein shake, and a whole playlist of just protein shakes. You guys will enjoy these videos for sure. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.